Welcome to this updated guide on how to search for something on Instagram. Whether you're looking for a specific account, a trending hashtag, or a particular place, Instagram's search feature makes it easy to find what you need. Let's dive into the steps to get you started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface with several icons at the bottom. The one we're interested in is the Explore icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Tap on this icon to enter the Explore page. On the Explore page, you'll see a variety of content that Instagram thinks you might be interested in. However, to search for something specific, you need to click on the search icon at the top of the screen. This will open up a new page where you can type in what you're looking for. Now it's time to write what you're searching for. This could be a username, a hashtag, a location, or even a specific keyword. Type your query into the search bar and click Enter. Instagram will then display a list of results based on your search. You can refine your search by selecting from the options provided, such as accounts, audio, tags, or places. This helps you narrow down the results to exactly what you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for a specific account, you can select the Accounts option to see a list of matching profiles. Instagram's search algorithm is designed to show you relevant results based on your past interactions and the content you engage with. This means that the more you use Instagram, the more personalized your search results will become. By mastering the search feature on Instagram, you can discover new accounts, stay updated with trending topics, and even grow your own following by optimizing your profile and content for search. Whether you're a casual user or a business looking to expand your reach, understanding how to search effectively on Instagram is a powerful tool in your social media toolkit. So, start exploring today and see what you can discover.